Alright, so number 97 says the second hand on a watch is 12 millimeters long. What is the velocity of its tip? 12 millimeters long. So, well, let's see here. What is the velocity of its tip? So it wants velocity, so maybe if we can figure, and it gave us a radius, so this is definitely looking like a velocity equals radius times angular velocity problem. Now, number 97. Because it's 12 millimeters, maybe I want to make I'll change it into meters, which is 0.0012 meters. And now the tricky part is the angular velocity. Now we all know that a second hand makes one revolution in, let's see here, 60 seconds. And remember that one revolution is equal to 2 pi radians. So we can find this to be in radians per second. So it's 2 pi over 60 or pi over 30. Get 0.105 radians per second. So there's my angular velocity. And my radius is 0.0012. Shoots, I can find my velocity now by multiplying them. .000126. Now, if you ever get a number like this, you should always write it in scientific notation. It's always easier for the reader and yourself when you got to come back to it. So you say, it's got to have how many significant figures? 97. 2. So you go 1.3 times 10 to the negative 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 to the negative 4th. Meters per second. Now, when I'm looking at the answer gave me the negative 3, so I'm wondering if I'm right. Millimeters, 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters. There's 1,000 millimeters. Oh yeah, shoots. I'm a dork. This should be 0.012. So when you multiply this, then this is wrong. So then this is 1.3 times to the negative 3rd. Yep, that's my problem. See, that's why it's good to show your work. So I found out where my error was, and then you can just carry it through, change this number and change that number. No big deal.